Hey everybody, Jim King in Blue Springs, Missouri. This here project is a design build that I came up with. This brick retaining wall here is just, it's basically just a veneer over block, hollow block wall. And down at that end, the east end there, it's starting to bow in a little bit. So he called me out here. It's cheaper for us to come in and pour a footing. We'll lock the I-beams in there when the concrete's encased around it, just to ensure that we have some reinforcement. The concrete will encase around each one of them I-beams, just securing it better. We'll go over the top, anchor into the sidewalk, and it'll be a concrete wall, basically encapsulated over this brick. So we're going to pour a footing here. Concrete should be here any minute. We're all prepared. We've dirtied up the parking lot quite a bit, but it's done nothing but rain on us from the start. This is the first decent day we've had, and it's day 5. So usually it's been just 4 days of pumping water out of here. So I'm very proud of Mark Siller's Foundation Repair, their affiliation of King Piers. We work together on just about every job. Mark is a fine superintendent as far as running a King Pier job. I'll have no problem with Mark running his own jobs. But the way he's got these set in here, it's what I envisioned in my mind before it was ever done. And now I come to the job and Mark's got everything set up just perfect. Very proud of him. And so stay tuned as we get this footing poured and this wall built. King Piers, Blue Springs. Thank you.